Boy, I can't deal with the double standards. I just can't. You know, sometime last year there was a video circulating that a woman from St. Thomas, I give her child a nice piece of clothing because the child was being very, very disrespectful. And even though the video was circulating last year, I heard that incident happened the year before. And almost half of the country, the whole of the world take it upon them head, going against the mother, how the mother shouldn't do that to the child, what if she had chopped her, what if she had killed her, da da dee, da da da. No understand it, no for not understand what it means bringing a child. And for those who understand and have children and was against still, it's fine. Your child has never disrespected you in a way that, I brought you to that, to that point where you had to use a machete. I'm telling you something about country. You understand me? Country, practically anything the parents get for you, gratitude the parents are going to take for lick. You understand me? And I'm pretty sure you've never heard in the history of a parent beating a child or sanctioning a child that never use a machete for chat to pit them. No, the people them know them are do. You understand me? The machete have two sides. You understand me? They not lick for chop. Them a lick for the pitney feel it. Not saying it was right, but I've seen it. I've never gotten it, but I've seen it. I can't only imagine say it very, very hard. Alright? Now I see a video circulating. And I'm angry. And I'm right now me attack, trust me. Would I pick me a beat her mama? I'm not hear the whole heap of controversy back it. I'm not hear the whole heap of condemnation. I want it's okay for a child to beat her mother, but not for a mother to beat her child? Huh? Where's the controversy surrounding this? You understand me? Where is it? I am so peeved. Oh, no, understand how it takes for raise a child. I don't think y'all understand. From pregnancy to the day the mother give birth, it's just not an easy road for a mother. You understand me? Some people have some pregnancy, with little to no issues or anything. Some go through hell. And then after all of that, and you push out the pitney. You could have been dead right in a few little minutes there, And then after that, to just raise a child, it is a financial burden sometimes, especially if you don't grow up with nothing or you don't nobody to give you nothing. And you want them to the pitney beat the mama, and it's fine for some of y'all. And for the rest of you look up pitney with a record and a thing. It's someone who don't know if you do on the phone, who don't know if you do on the device, because that should have never been recorded. But I'm happy it was, because it just goes to show how much of a hypocrite some of us are. Because I hear nothing being uttered about this. For the rest of you sit down there record, you think you do something good? Y'all are so distasteful. I'm disappointed in you now. And I don't know how if I was a principal for that school, just if all of who did, if all of who could have pick out, I suspend the whole on or expel you. You know, hooligans, you don't deserve to be in the system. You don't deserve to be in some penitentiary or some place. Not one of you could have stepped in and part the fight, the whole on a record and a carry on. And at one point, I heard this young man apparently was pretty mad because somebody had tried to broke up the fight. I'm not sure, or he lost his scene, because everybody just come and surround the whole fight, so he couldn't get the record properly. I don't know, as stardom when I look, try to do something positive. You understand me? Nothing beats positivity, and it might seem like say it now gone away, but at some point in time, the right person will see it, and your positive message will be delivered and communicated all across the world. Them look at something I just see a time, and then I make it look good. Because me just disappointed, and that whole uno will stand up there record and watch you put me a beat her mother. You see how you look, a girl? You see how you look? You should have all my mother for deal with it, yeah? You understand me? But sometimes I go blame some of the parents, and sometimes I only raise them, because I raise them, I make them think uno and them a size. You understand me? Some uno and them in a dance. Some uno make them a keep man. Eh? Or if you have a pit in a uniform and at the pit they have man. Are you serious right now? A book alone should have the pan at the pit in the head. So I not say this to this parent, but I'm just saying a lot of y'all do it. And that is why when the pit them come around and do some what them practice a year, then come abroad with it. Because that don't look like a first time beating. If it's a first time beating, she was not the most disciplined child at home. You must have seen signs, because as old as I am, if my mother should have come out the road and give me a ratted lick, I know she have a good reason. But just I take it and walk come on me, I might try to argue with her when I get home, but I will never disrespect my mother like that. You are disrespectful, you are distasteful, and you should be punished. Mommy, I'm really, really sorry for you. And if you make her get too much leeway, you know if you do. But for some parents, she can't go back in them yard. So I don't know where you plan for do about it. But society, we have to stop it. No condemnation from this incident, but last year the whole on one chastised the poor little woman from St. Thomas. Have a woman in jail for much days. On a sick my stomach. Disrespectful and distasteful. Mommy, just go and take it easy. Understand me? And just go and do your best. Know yourself. The world out of fear. Me out of fear.